Good morning everyone, it's Tisha, and today I'm so excited because I get to review for you the Lull Mattress. You thought this was going to be something else, you dirty dogs.
Hi everyone, this is Tisha Unarmed, and I'm here to answer all your questions about not having arms. And as you can see, I don't have any arms.
We all know how important it is to get a good night's sleep, which is why when the Lull company contacted me to do a review on their mattress, I said, yes, please send me a new mattress. If you can imagine, my old mattress is about 6 years old, which is roughly around the time when I started making my YouTube videos. It's gone through the apartment, the new house, getting married, having 3 dogs. That thing had to go. There's a Tisha-sized dent right in the middle from where I slept. It was so uncomfortable, I found myself tossing and turning and waking up in the middle of the night. In the morning, I would be completely exhausted, which wouldn't make any sense. Why wasn't I getting a good night's sleep? But for the first time, I'm actually given the chance to try it before I commit to it. Lull offers 100 days, risk-free, to try the mattress. And for any reason, if it doesn't work out for you, you can always return it. Honestly, it's only been 14 days since I've got the mattress, and I have to say, I'm definitely keeping it. It wasn't until I got a new mattress that I realized what I was missing. I am sleeping through the entire night. I'm not tossing and turning, and I wake up energized and excited. The queen-size mattress wasn't cutting it for me anymore. It was too small, and I needed something a little bigger. But I also know how expensive king-size mattresses can be. But they were so sweet and they sent me a king size. With Lull, shipping is free. Who doesn't love free shipping? But when I got the box, I had thought that they had accidentally sent me a twin-size bed because there was no way that they were going to be able to fit a king in that box.
Get the box! Oh man, she is... Get it! Oh. Oh, look at that!
When we unboxed it and unwrapped it, it exploded into a king-size bed. And letting it air out for a couple of hours, it was good to go. I didn't want to just do an unboxing and a review without actually testing it out. So for the past 2 weeks, I've been trying out this mattress, and I have to say that it has been amazing. For me, it's all about the comfort. I needed something to support me. With my leg and my back problems, I wanted something to relieve my pressure points. And for Jared, it was all about being cool. With the Lull mattress, the topping is cooling, so you don't overheat at night. Probably the best part about the mattress is that it has motion control. I can't feel Jared moving around, and he can't feel me. I also know that the dogs enjoy the bed because they end up jumping up on the bed in the middle of the night. I'm so glad that I got the king-size bed. It's so big and luxurious. Before we even ordered the mattress, Jared and I knew that we were going to get a king. So we went to the store and we bought all new furniture. Surprisingly, the mattress came before the furniture did. I'm still waiting for the furniture to come in. I can't wait to show you what our entire bedroom is going to look like after we get all of our pieces in. But for now, I'm just enjoying a good night's sleep. I would definitely suggest trying out the Lull company if you're in the market for a new mattress. If you guys are interested in the Lull mattress, I will leave a link to their website down below in the description bar. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today in this video. Next time, hopefully I will have a full bedroom tour for you to see featuring the Lull mattress. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.
God, you are